Hi guys, let me share with you our Meteor Garden tour via Klook. It's a tour that you shouldn't miss, especially if you're a fan of F4. Actually, I was in a dilemma between doing DIY and availing this tour in Klook kasi expensive naman nga talaga siya. But I compared the prices, which is almost the same sa Klook versus DIY, and may bonus pa na Zhongshe Flower Market. I weighed the pros and cons and I chose the tour with Klook na nga kasi what if hindi namin napuntahan lahat tapos wala pa kaming taga-picture, so sayang ang punta and pagod namin. I-share ko na din yung isang con of availing Klook tour kasi 4 persons ang minimum na dapat mag-book or else they will cancel the tour. Pero i-refund naman ang bayad. But thank God, 5 persons kami in total and tuloy na ang Meteor Garden tour. So yung meeting place is sa Taipei Main Station sa may exit South 1, 9 a.m. Since malayo ang tour, important na comfortable ang transpo namin. Masarap naman ang tulog and with complimentary drinks pa. First part of the tour is the Zhongshe Flower Market. We arrived at 10:50 in the morning. We were given enough time to explore until 11:30 a.m. Then nag-lunch kami sa may Lipaw Outlet Mall till 1 p.m. Then, travel na uli hanggang makarating na sa exciting part sa National Chung Cheng University or mas famous sa ating Meteor Garden fans as seeing the university. Pinuntahan namin yung mga iconic scenes kung saan nagmamotor sa Sunshine, kumakain sila ng Xingha, saan nakaupo, naglakad ng F4, yung locker ni Sunshine. Our driver Vanessa was also our tour guide and photographer. Nakakatawa and talagang effort siya sa pagtutour kaya ang saya lalo ng tour namin. Take note na walang kasamang time for dinner to. You can eat naman snacks inside the car pa uwi kasi late na ang drop-off. Natapos ang tour 9:30 kasi traffic din. No joke, super enjoyed ako sa tour na ito. So book nyo na to sa Klook and use my Klook code, Mrs. K Klook. That's it. Follow for more Taiwan tips.